Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now you need to type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Then open it. And click Get Started. Now tap OK. Click on the switcher next to LED keyboard over here. Tap OK again. Click on Input Options and select LED keyboard one more time. Now pick keyboard that you like the best after picking one of the options and click on it. Lastly, tap on Get Theme, and now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!